Hi, my name's Amber Howland and I'm playing Jill McSkinner in Mother Goose at the Palace Theatre, Kilmarnock. My character Jill is the principal girl and she is in love with Jack, but her father, the evil squire, doesn't want them to be together. If I had a goose that could lay golden eggs, the first thing I would buy would be a theatre so that PAntos could go on all day through the year.
Mother Goose
at the Palace Theatre, Kilmarnock.
from Friday the 27th of November.
Until Wednesday the 30th of December.
Don't miss it!